gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Over the last couple of years, the conversation around flagship performance has definitely matured. People now understand that having the most powerful specs on paper isn't everything. Sure, top-tier hardware matters, but blindly stacking high-end components can actually cause instability during long gaming sessions or heavy usage, and that directly affects the overall experience. So when I finally got my hands on the iQOO 15 Ultra, what I really wanted to know was this. Is it still chasing extreme specs just for the numbers, or has it focused more on solving the real-world issues that impact users the most? Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look. Let's start with the design. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The iQOO 15 Ultra features sharp, clean lines that give it a very refined look. The camera module on the back is fairly large, but the arrangement is neat and balanced, so it doesn't feel awkward or overly heavy on one side. At first glance, you might think it's just another premium flagship design. But once you tilt the phone slightly under the light, you'll notice something interesting. A subtle hexagonal boot-inspired pattern reveals itself, and as the viewing angle changes, the surface creates a flowing light effect. It feels dynamic, futuristic, and honestly, pretty cool in person. Beyond the phone itself, there's also that signature L-shaped capsule charging cable. It's a classic iQOO touch. When you're charging and gaming at the same time, the L-shaped connector makes a real difference in comfort. It's a small detail, but it shows thoughtful design. Now let's move on to what really matters, the experience. Starting with the display, the iQOO 15 Ultra comes equipped with a custom Samsung 2K Everest panel, built using M14 luminescent material and paired with LTPO adaptive refresh rate technology. The first thing you notice isn't exaggerated brightness, but a clean, sharp, and natural-looking image. And where it really shines is during high-performance gaming. In titles that support native 144Hz with ultra graphics enabled, the screen maintains stable, high frame rates, keeps ghosting under control, and avoids sudden brightness shifts. That stability helps reduce eye fatigue during longer gaming sessions, which is something you truly appreciate over time. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest highlights of this Ultra generation, the hybrid active and passive cooling system. The iQOO 15 Ultra introduces the Ice Dome cooling setup, which combines an internal active cooling fan with the industry's largest single-layer VC vapor chamber. To see how much of a difference it makes, we ran comparison tests. Using the ironclad performance mode as an example, after 30 minutes of continuous gameplay without turning on the fan, the highest surface temperature reached 40.3 degrees Celsius, and you could clearly feel heat concentrated around the core area. However, when we switched the fan to high-speed mode under the same gaming conditions, the maximum surface temperature dropped to about 33.8 degrees Celsius. The heat distribution was noticeably more even, and there was no obvious overheating sensation. This improvement is critical because keeping temperatures under control means the phone can maintain stable performance for longer periods. And in demanding games, even something as intensive as Genshin Impact runs smoothly and confidently without feeling like the device is struggling. To really push it to the edge, we ran the phone at full 2K resolution, turned on super resolution, and locked it to 120 FPS. That's an extremely demanding setup, but even under that kind of pressure, the iQOO 15 Ultra stayed composed. Gameplay remained fluid with no obvious frame drops or annoying stutters. Then we moved into even more stressful scenarios, like intense triangular table action, where high frame rates and sudden performance spikes really test a device. With 144 FPS mode and ultra-high graphics enabled, the iQOO 15 Ultra delivered an average frame rate of around 142 FPS. After 5 seconds, it slightly adjusted to 139 FPS, but there was no dramatic dip. Because the frame rate ceiling is controlled so well, you rarely experience sudden hiccups or interruptions during real-time movement. When it comes to controls, this has always been one of iQOO's strong points, and the 15 Ultra keeps that tradition alive. The new generation ultra-sensitive touch system feels incredibly responsive. Taps and swipes register instantly, and in FPS titles especially, the camera movement feels sharp and precise. This upgrade isn't just marketing talk. With a higher touch sampling rate and reduced trigger latency, you can genuinely feel the difference, particularly during complex actions in the lower right control area. Everything feels more stable and consistent. The gyroscope tuning also focuses on precision and smooth control, keeping unwanted drift to a minimum. Now, if you're someone who streams or records gameplay, the iQOO 15 Ultra has clearly been optimized with that in mind. Its performance during simultaneous gaming and live streaming is seriously impressive. For example, even during extended streaming sessions at 144 FPS, it can maintain an average frame rate close to 144 FPS while handling both tasks at once. The 1% low frame rate sits at 132 FPS and power consumption stays around 7 watts. On top of that, features like highlight playback and intelligent recording organization make content creation much more convenient. For dedicated mobile gaming creators, this feels like a fully equipped production tool rather than just a phone. As for battery life, the iQOO 15 Ultra packs a massive 7400 mAh Blue Ocean battery, which gives you real peace of mind, especially in heavy gaming scenarios. Charging is equally strong with 100 watts super flash charge and 40 watts wireless flash charge, plus global direct drive 1.0 to ensure stable and secure power delivery even while gaming. In the end, the iQOO 15 Ultra doesn't depend on one flashy headline feature. Instead, it delivers consistent, high-level performance across the board, whether it's the display, cooling system, gaming enhancements, or live streaming capabilities. If your main focus is serious mobile gaming and long-lasting, stable performance, this phone easily ranks among the top-tier flagship performance devices available right now. That's it for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one.